we'll guide you through how to understand what WordPress really is and how it can benefit you. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the WordPress website at wordpress.org. WordPress is a powerful content management system, or CMS, that allows you to create and manage your own website or blog. It's one of the most popular tools out there because of its flexibility and ease of use. When you open the site, you'll notice that WordPress offers two different options, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. The .com version is a hosted platform, meaning WordPress takes care of all the hosting details for you, which is perfect if you're looking to quickly set up a site without worrying about technical aspects. On the other hand, WordPress.org is self-hosted, giving you full control over your site and the ability to customize everything from themes to plugins. To get started with WordPress.org, you'll need to have your own web hosting and domain name. Once you have those, you can download the WordPress software from the site and install it on your server. The process is straightforward, and many hosting providers offer one-click installation. Once installed, you can log into your WordPress dashboard, which is your control center for managing your website. Here, you can choose from thousands of themes to change the look of your site and add plugins to enhance functionality. Plugins are like apps that add different features to your site, such as contact forms, SEO tools, and social media integration. WordPress's user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone, even those without technical skills, to build professional-looking websites. It's a versatile platform used by millions of sites worldwide, from personal blogs to large corporate websites. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.